T-minus 28 seconds.
ECS ready for launch. Roger.
25 seconds.
Status check. Go Atlas. Go Centaur. Go AEHF 6.
T-minus 10,
9,
8, 7,
6,
5,
4,
3, 2. We have ignition and liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket.
Go Falcon, go GPS.
The mission of the National Security Space Launch Program is to be the guardian of assured access, launching when and where the nation needs. The launch enterprise does this by maintaining its unprecedented record of mission success, transitioning national security space payloads to new launch vehicles, providing assured access for current and future space architectures, and cultivating innovative mission assurance practices. The U.S. Space Force Launch Enterprise is ushering in a new era of launch with the Phase 2 Launch Service Procurement Contract Awards.
This landmark contract award begins the dawn of a new era in U.S. launch innovation. It promotes competition, maintains the healthiest launch industrial base on the planet, and reinforces global competitive advantage for the U.S. and our allies.
The Phase 2 Contract Awards usher in a new era of launch and marks the first time in 20 years that the nation will have two independent families of launch vehicles that meet all U.S. Space Force payload requirements. Since the inception of the nation's ballistic missile program in 1954, the Air Force has partnered with American industry to meet the ever-increasing demands of space superiority, exploration, and utilization. In the decades that followed, the U.S. Air Force delivered military satellites to space, which fueled the conversion of missiles to space launch vehicles. In 1998, the Air Force successfully carried out a thorough redesign known as the Evolved Expendable Launch Vehicle Program, or EELV. In 2019, the EELV program transitioned to the National Security Space Launch Program, ushering in new families of expendable and reusable launch vehicles. 2020 marks a year of firsts. The first launch of the U.S. Space Force. Flexibility to accommodate a late change to the mission manifest of national security space launch without affecting schedule. The first unclassified launch of a Space Force satellite from the X-37B spaceplane. And the recovery of a first stage booster during a national security space launch mission. The U.S. Space Force rose to the challenge when Congress mandated the transition from the Russian-built RD-180 engine to American-made propulsion. The Phase 2 competition leveraged commercial space launch innovation and fostered a robust competition, saving taxpayers billions of dollars. This competitive acquisition adds to the substantial savings the program has achieved since the 2013 Phase 1 Block Buy Award. The Phase 2 contracts were awarded to United Launch Alliance and Space Exploration Technologies, ensuring the nation has two independent paths and assured access to space for every national security space payload. Current and future national security space missions have more stressing mission requirements than commercial launches. Payloads must be injected into precise and oftentimes difficult orbits commercial launch vehicles cannot accommodate. The ULA and SpaceX families of launch vehicles are the most capable systems for fielding more advanced and difficult warfighting capabilities that outperform our adversaries. The United States Space Force, the National Reconnaissance Office, and launch service industry partners are launching the future of space.